Yeah, welcome my people. This is a beautiful day. I want to show you how to weld to reinforce the wheelbarrow. Okay, let me tell you guys, this is a beautiful day, amazing. Thank thank God for everything. Inshallah. So I wanna fabricate and also reinforce a wheelbarrow so that we can go there in the construction site to be to be used there, right? So I want to show you guys how to reinforce. I've already cut some letters for reinforcement. I've welded, so I want to continue making it continuous welding, right? All right, let me show you how to weld this, right? This is a real street welding, like I told you before, guys. These are street welding. You can see I'm just here in the street of Nasaimara, trying to weld some wheelbarrows here for construction site, like you see. So you have to reinforce it very well. Yes. So guys, like I told you, this is what we call fabrication. You can see here, you have a beautiful gate here. There is a green gate. So I want to show you guys how beautiful this place, how beautiful is Kenya. I love it. I love this place. For sure, I love it. I love this place very much. We have been reinforcing some wheelbarrows here for the sides. So we want everything to be on site. Materials, all materials, the articles, stones, all the sand, and also ballast. You want to see the site, so that's why you want to fabricate this beautiful here. This amazing. You want to fabricate it from here. So this is a blessing from God. You see, the street welder is here with you. Yeah. So we want to fabricate this. This is amazing. I want to fabricate this. You can see the wheel is turning. Sorry, it has a problem sometimes there, but before we fabricate it, we repair it again. There was many problems. Okay, this is a blessing. I love it. It's a blessing from God, like you see here. We love it. We wanna fabricate it again, like in the next 15 minutes. I think everything will be okay. We wanna take it to another level, right? Okay, thank you so much. So let's weld again. Okay, like I told you before, this normal machine, that your Kali industry machine normally weld here.